we're going to talk about how to program the Arduino chip on your Bigfoot board using the provided wiring harness. You can see here that wiring harness is attached into the enclosure. And we're going to show you how to connect that wiring harness up to one of these FTDI chips so that you can plug in a USB to your computer and program the Arduino using Arduino Studio. So basically there's 5 cables we need to use here. We have our ground cable, TXD and RXD. Over here we have our DTR pin, and finally our voltage input here. And the way I'm going to wire these up on the FTDI chip, that voltage input needs to go to VCC on the FTDI chip. Ground obviously is going to go to our ground pin. DTR goes to DTR. And then where you have to be careful is with the RX and TX cables. Our RX pin here needs to actually be wired to the TX pin on the FTDI chip. And likewise, the TX pin goes to the RX pin on the FTDI chip. You can use pretty much any FTDI chip you want, but we do recommend the ones sold by SparkFun. And just make sure that you're set for 5 volts on the FTDI chip. Some of them have the option of either 3.3 or 5. You can see I've got the jump right here to set it for 5 volts. And now I'm ready to plug this USB into my computer and start programming the Arduino on my Bigfoot board.